For each day, subtract last time row from the first time row with Python. I have 5 minutes interval meteorological df for many days. Some rows and days are missing. Index is date-time format. I want to make a new _df of daily data with column data _diff. Column data _diff should contain the result of subtraction of the last data to the first data from each day. The expected result is. I have no idea what to do. Crossed in mind to use. But, it was not true for this case. Edit. I also try the following. But the result is not correct.
Function resample at all missing days filled by nans. You can remove only these days by dataframe.dropna.
Use pandas.groupie together with dt.day and apply the function you look for.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.